This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Toie Crespi. Looking for a rental beachside? This 2-bedroom 2-bath 2,000 square foot home with a pool is ideal for the beach person. Features an oversized 1-car garage, fenced backyard. Open floor plan with large rooms. Ideal floor plan with pool in front of home, north/south exposure. Rooms are oversized. This is a unique floor plan, hence the age of home 1977. The kitchen is roomy, and all of the living space in the home. There is a separate utility/laundry room. Great beachside neighborhood with 3 beach access areas. A piece of paradise. For more information, review the details below.